This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, man, it is like humid and muggy and hot. I think it's like, it's just too hot. And it's gonna get worse. And then we just got an air quality warning and blah, blah, blah. But today I'm gonna make this Assi brand hot and spicy rice noodle soup bowl. Found this inside one of the great, awesome exoticnudes.com boxes. Go to exoticnudes.com and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider. Get yourself that discount. Get it, get it. So here's what the noodle looks like. I've had this style before. So it's been a long time. I don't believe I've had this particular variety before though. Oh well. So what you do, cut her off, dump in your soup pooter. It's covered in pooter. A little 1/4-inch green rosette on the top of a dense but radiant muffin. And right to there. And you're supposed to cover it for 3 to 4 minutes. We're gonna do 3 and a half. There we go. And look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Aren't you thrilled? I am. So, what's going on? Just got my boy on the bus. And I think I mentioned a few episodes ago that my wife got laid off, which really sucks, but guess what? She got a new gig. She got a way better gig. I am so freaking proud of my wife. She was like, she's like, well, I said, you know, you always talk about how I said like in high school, she took a health occupations class. And she always, it's like she remembered all that stuff. And I told her maybe you should look at something in your, with your experience. She's done like, since she was in high school, she's had a job. And she did retail, got up to like management and all that kind of stuff. And then just got really burned on that. And then did a bunch of like call center kind of stuff for the last few years. And then that just kind of got, I won't say anything about it, but it was really good at the beginning, and then it just kind of went to crap, and then she got laid off. And it's like, well, you know, you got a lot of good experience. Why don't you look into something in that field? And guess what? First thing she applied for, and what's rad is her old job, it was just like there. I mean, it was like a very short commute, although traffic around here at certain times, generally in the morning and in the evening, can be serious crap. Well, this place, dig this. You go out, up to the street, walk down that way for like 5 minutes, cross the street, go between 2 enormous buildings, and you're there. It's like literally, I walk past this constantly, and it's like barely the beginning of my walks. So it's just like, yeah. No snow days for her, but that's super cool. So I just want to say, Kit, I love you, baby, and I am so freaking proud, and you deserve it. Everything. So yeah, she's off today, going and dealing with all that new hire stuff, new HR department. Her old job didn't have an HR department, so, but I don't know. It's bittersweet because she ended up being really good friends with the people that ran the old place, and then all of a sudden they just got really quiet, and it was like, she's like, I don't know what I did. I must have done something. I don't know. And it's like, you didn't do anything. Who who knows? People are strange, but I think it's just good that done. So yeah, it'll probably, maybe one of these days she'll find out from somebody what exactly happened or what their deal was, but until then, it's just a mystery. And now, the mystery of this noodle is about to be solved. Okay. I'm gonna transfer it into here. First, it's hydrated all right. All right, let's put this in here. That will make it easier to transfer into said bowl. It's a lot of rice noodle. So what I kind of need to do is take a pair of kitchen scissors and go boop, 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 boop. That'll work. Give it a steer to. There's quite a bit of rice noodle here. So let's give it a try. It's got anchovy and bonito in it, I think. No, it's got beef extra. It's Assi, and I guess there's this place called Assi Plaza. There's like 3 of them here. I think there's other ones around the world. Said there's some in Canada, actually. Hot and spicy. There's the broth. This is pretty good. Very salty, but it's doing the trick. It's got a niceness to it that I dig. So let's grab this bowl. I believe is what I want to use. There we go. And now, the miraculous aid of modern technology, I'm gonna veg this sucker up like nothing else you've ever seen, kids. Holy slicer! Ah! Oh. Wow, that thing's, oh yeah, that slicer, ladies and gentlemen, slices stuff so fast it almost turns it to like a mist. So like it's like immediately you just start inhaling like pepper mist. Okay, this one a little crazy, but I am very, very satisfied with the results. With the slight craziness. Really not a lot more to do to this one. I think this would be really good this way. Some with a sesame seed and a little bit of crushed red pepper, and just to give it that little extra schwang, we're gonna throw in some crispy fried garlic, which I freaking love. I used to use this in my shows all the time, and then I kind of stopped, and now I'm gonna do it again. If you look, they're like slices of It's sold as a salad topping, but you can put it on anything. As everybody likes to say about any topping they make, you can even put it on ice cream. I don't think you should. If you want garlic and ice cream, you need to get garlic ice cream. And yes, there is such a thing. Although, I don't know how easy it is to come by that anymore. That way. Alright, well, what are you guys doing tomorrow? You want to hang out? Yeah? I'm inserting words in my mouth. I'm figuring you say yeah. So, I've got this one. This is Sriracha. This is a company called Assi did this up. Lobster flavor Sriracha ramen noodle soup. It's officially licensed Hui Fong stuff, so I'm very curious about this one. It should be good. There will be more peppers. So this has been Ons the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. You subscribe, hit that bell. That's what you do. Bye-bye.